All the imaginary parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called latitudes. Latitudes? What does it mean? Shall we learn? Equator. Equator is the imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. Latitudes? What are latitudes? All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels or latitudes. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes. All parallels south of the equator are called south latitudes. Equator represents the 0-degree latitude. The distance between the equator and either of the poles is 1/4 of a circle. The complete angle of a circle is 360 degrees. So, the 90-degree north latitude marks the north pole and the 90-degree south latitude marks the south pole. The value of each latitude is followed by either the word north or south. So, this is indicated by the letter N or S, the North Pole and the South Pole. Important parallels of latitudes. Well, there are 4 important parallels of latitudes. They are Tropic of Cancer in the Northern Hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn in the Southern Hemisphere, Arctic Circle north of the equator, and Antarctic Circle at the south of the equator. What are the heat zones of Earth? How did they form? The angle of the sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. This causes different temperature zones on the Earth. Heat zones of the Earth are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone. The areas between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. All latitudes in torrid zone receives maximum heat. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year in this zone. Temperate zone. The areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in Northern Hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the Southern Hemisphere have moderate temperatures. These areas are called temperate zones. Frigid zone. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in Northern Hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in Southern Hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. The sun rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These areas are called frigid zones, very cold. What did we learn? Latitudes are also known as parallels. They run from east to west direction. These measures distance north or south from equator. Latitudes are parallel and they never meet. They cross prime meridian at right angle. Latitudes get shorter towards the poles, leaving equator as the longest circle. The angle of the sun's rays on the globe results the temperature zones on the earth. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.